Okay, for this problem, we have the graph of f of x, and we need to find the graph of f prime of x. Okay, so it's important to note that f prime of x is the slope of f of x. So we basically need to find the slope and put it onto here for each and every point. So let's look between points 0 and c1. So you can see that the slope is positive, so we know that it's going to be somewhere up here, but it is decreasing until it gets all the way to 0. So, and then at C1, we can see that the slope is horizontal, which means that the slope is 0. So the slope, it's going to be a little bit of a curve until at C1 it hits 0. Now between C1 and C2, the slope is decreasing at an increasing rate, and the slope is negative. So it's going to be negative, so it's going to be below the x-axis, and it's decreasing at an increasing rate. So it's going to look like this. And now between C2 and C3, we can see that the slope, now it looks more like this that we're graphing. So you can see that the slopes between all of these gets more positive and more positive at an increasing rate until at C3 the slope is 0. So you can see that it goes positive until right here the slope is 0. And now the slope between C3 and C4 is still going to be positive. This is just going to go up and up and up and up. This is all at an increasing rate. And then between C4 and C5, the slope is still positive, but it's going at a decreasing rate until at C5 the slope is 0. So the slope is going up at a decreasing rate, so it's going up by a lot, now up by a little, until it goes up by nothing because the slope is 0. Okay, so that right there is how we drew f prime of x from the graph f of x. Now note that this is really, it's not too hard of a problem if you just keep your mind very straight and focused, you know exactly what you're looking for, and you stay concentrated and you know how to look for it. Okay, anyways, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.